Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a little short video. I'm always doing like arts and crafty type things, and I was in a mood. So, we have today the DIY ingredients for the perfect clear slime. Now, all you need is salt, baking soda, warm water, clear glue, and contact solution or eye solution. Whatever kind is your preference, I just have what was in my closet. So, already I put a cup of warm water, some salt, and some baking soda in here. So now you want to get your glue and you want to just put some glue in there. Sorry. You want to put some glue in your solution and then add the eye contact solution and mix. So you want to do a little bit at a time because I'm only trying to do like a little slime, if you will, like a sample slime. But here we go. That should be good. Now, with my little fork, I'm gonna mix. But you can kind of see where the glue is, if you will, to form. Oh, I might not have enough. Okay, I need more glue. So it sort of dissolved a bit. So I took the liberty of putting some of the solution in my little container. And now I can put the glue in that and see if that works out better. I have more solution in the other things, so I'm going to use a good bit of the glue just because I don't want it to mess up again. I've added some contact solution to see if that helps. I think it's helping, guys. Let's add more. It's working. Okay, now it's starting to thicken. At first it was like water. I can feel it. Okay, guys. So, after mixing for what seemed like to be forever and adding more and more and more of contact solution, I think I finally got it. So, this is the consistency. So, we can say that this does work. That's funny. Woo! We can say that this does work for making slime, but I'm guessing it's one of those that's gonna have to sit and get all the air bubbles out because as you can see, this is not clear at all. So, thank you for watching my 5-second creative arts, my DIY stolen from some DIY hacks that are on YouTube. This was one of those, does it work? And indeed it does. And we're happy. So, thanks for joining us on another video. Again, happy holidays. Or did I say that? No. So, happy holidays. And Can't wait for you to join us again. Don't forget to chibi pound that like button in the face, subscribe today, and join our Chibi Monsters gang. And until next time, bye.